Crude oil continued with the bearish momentum which it has seen last to last week, and it has hit the lows at 76. Yes, the crucial support zone, as we have discussed in our weekly review last week, that below 77, 70, 78, 77.8, we are going to look forward to a good correction towards 76. Now, can we expect this momentum to continue further? Is it going to hit the lower lows of this channel, or there is a possibility of reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review, and this is the only channel to give you twice a day updates every day for crude oil. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. Thus subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into 4-hour charts, and yes, towards the end of this update I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategies, so watch till the end. Now look at the 4-hour charts, classical flag formation here. See, it was trading moderately bearish here, and then suddenly it has accelerated here on the downside. Now it is trading in this bearish channel. Moving averages are trading with divergence as well. Now also, if you notice, it has formed a very good support at 76. So once it drops below 76, 75.8 in the coming week, consider that there is going to be further bearish momentum there, and then you can look forward to 75 as the first target, and in fact 73.8 as the next target here. Now see what has happened here. If you look at the 4-hour charts, after the drop here towards 76, we have seen it retracing. It has formed a double bottom here at 76 again. So it is very, very crucial for it to break below 76, 75.8 zone in order to confirm the further downward move here. If you look at the stochastic, this has come to oversold zone. Look at MACD. After retracing here, it is again crossing over here and showing bearish signs. RSI has dropped and trading flat as of now. Coming to daily. Now look at daily chart. See this crossover. This is a classical bearish sign here. Also, if you look at what has happened, I have mentioned in my daily update several times 79.2, 78.6. This is the zone oil needs to break, and I will respect this zone again for the coming week. If you see oil trading above 78.6 and 79.2 zone, you can say that now prices are going to move towards 81. Remember this fact. Again, I am saying first target should be at 80, second at 80.4, and then third at 81 levels. But most important, it has to stay above 78.6 and 79.2 zone. Now look what has happened here. After showing diminishing bearishness, we have seen good swing, delivering lower highs. It is again hit the bottom here. Now also you can see it is closed at the bottom, but I can also see that there is a good support at 76. So once it drops below 76, 75.8 zone, certainly there is going to be further bearish momentum here. Now if you look at the formation, drop, retracement, lower highs and lower lows, means it can continue to move towards 73, 72 zone as well. Possibilities there. If you look at the stochastic, this is at oversold zone. The MACD has plummeted sharp. It has come to the bottom levels. Remember, it is almost at the bottom from where it has seen this rise. So a possible reversal from these levels cannot be denied. Thus, coming week is going to be crucial. Be careful at around 75 and 73.8 zone. This is going to be the extremely important support zone. This will decide whether oil is going to bounce back in August or not. Now, if you look at the RSI, this is looking downwards, trading bearish. Coming to weekly, if you look at the weekly chart, similar formation here, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now see, it is looking downwards, and it appears that it is willing to erase the gains from this zone, which means 75 appears to be a possible target. Also, if you also notice on the weekly chart, see what is happening here. If you just connect the lows, here, you will find where are the lows here, around 75, 73.8 zone, which is again I am saying is going to remain a very good support zone. So oil on the weekly charts is been consolidating in this, and on the upside it has to break beyond 85. That is very, very clear for a bullish momentum. The stochastic has dropped sharp from the overbought zone. The MACD is also again, see, after forming a good base here, see, look at the waves here, and it is again crossing over for not a good sign for the bulls. But also you must notice, see, the waves here are of diminishing nature, which means that a breakout has to be there very, very soon, either on the upside or on the downside. Whichever direction it gives the breakout, it has to be stronger one. Be careful. Again, RSI looking downwards. So the support zone is going to play a major role. How oil behaves around 75, 73.8, even if it continues to drop in the coming week. Now, looking at the monthly, On the monthly chart, similar observation. See, first of all, look at the preceding candle comes with lower lows and higher highs. What has happened with the current candle? Higher highs are already done and it is looking downwards. But at the same time, one must notice what we have discussed earlier in this. The move here and the top here is almost of $11.6. The median is $5.8, which is 50% of the complete move here. And thus, if you add 5.8 to 72.4, you will get 78.2. Now, this levels, and that is why also 78.2 to 78.6 and 79.2, this zone is going to play a very important role in deciding the further movements for oil. Because see what I am seeing here, this could be the reversal here. The current candle might close at the only 3 trading sessions are left. It can close at around 78 and the coming month can continue on the upside. This is something which we can expect. But at the same time, coming week is going to be important. You look at this, the median of the Bollinger Bands at 74.2 levels and the support levels at 73.8. So this zone is going to be of prime importance. Hitting the zone, we can see it bouncing back again. The stochastic looking down, the MACD is trading bearish on the monthly. Now this is a sign which I am looking forward to. Good waves are seen so far. Just a crossover is what I am waiting for. Possibly whenever it crosses over, either this month, next month, or next to next month, whenever it shows a crossover, just stay bullish in oil. We are looking forward to a long-term bullishness in crude oil in the near term. Be watchful of this. And this is going to be, again I am repeating this fact, this is going to be, or the energy sector is going to be one detrimental thing for the fight against inflation. Be watchful of this. RSI coming comfortable here. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can all trade profitably and comfortably. And before I give you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Let's start. First, we'll look into the levels to buy. Now, if you see oil staying above 76.6, you can buy here. Expect 77. Now, those who follow me for long, these levels are nearby, but I cannot ignore these levels. 77.3, 77.5. This is the first resistance zone. Then 78.2. Then 78.6. And beyond that 79.2. Till here, it's fine. It can drop again. Beyond this, it is going to turn bullish. We can look forward to 80, 80.4, and then 81. Beyond 81, extremely bullish towards 82.4, 84, and plus levels. If not this week, then in the month of August. But I do not see this happening in the coming week. 79.2, at best 81 levels, even if it tries to rise, are going to provide maximum resistance on the upside. So be watchful of this. On the downside, where is the selling entry? A selling entry in oil is only below 75.8, where you can expect 75.5, 75.1, 74.55, and then 73.8. Now 73.8 or and 74.2, this is going to be extremely important support zone for crude oil. Any drop below this should take it towards 72. Any drop below 72 is a sign of further crash towards 70. I do not see that happening, but looking at the momentum, looking at the closing of the week, preceding week, we have to be watchful. We have to be careful here. The direction it takes, possibly we are going to look forward to a swing. It can try to achieve 73.8, 75 in the very first trading session or so, and then we may see a reversal also from midweek onwards, where the prices might try to move towards 80, 81 to close the month at around 78 or 80 zone, and then we can see more rise in the coming month. Possibility exists. So take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services, and do not miss to watch the everyday updates which I share for crude oil. In fact, twice a day, first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. These two updates definitely gives you a fair idea on how to trade, how to profit. Trade accordingly. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.